Imagine waking up, heading to the kitchen, and finding your coffee maker won't brew. Why? Because your premium caffeine subscription expired at midnight. You hop in your car to drive to work, but the heated seats are locked behind a paywall. This isn't a sci-fi dystopia, it's the subscription economy. We've moved from a world where we own our things to a world where we rent our lives. Today, we're uncovering why buying is dying and what the death of ownership means for your wallet. A decade ago, if you wanted a piece of software like Microsoft Office or Photoshop, you went to a store, bought a box, and installed it. It was yours. You owned that version forever. But in the early 2010s, something shifted. Adobe and Microsoft realized that selling you a product once for $500 was nowhere near as profitable as charging you $20 a month forever. This was the birth of SaaS, software as a service. For companies, it was a dream come true. Instead of hoping you'd buy the new version every 3 years, they created recurring revenue. This makes their stock prices soar because predictable money is the holy grail of Wall Street. But for us, it meant we stopped building equity in our digital lives. If you stop paying for Adobe Creative Cloud today, you lose access to the tools and the files you've worked on for years. You're not a customer anymore, you're a tenant. The trend didn't stop at software. Now it's coming for the physical things in your house. Have you noticed that even your dumb appliances are trying to become smart? That's because once a product is connected to the internet, the company can control it from a distance. Take HP Plus printers, for example. Submodels won't even let you print in black and white unless you have an active ink subscription, even if you have plenty of ink left. Or look at BMW, which famously experimented with charging a monthly fee just to use the heated seats already installed in the car. This is the Internet of Things, or IoT, being used against you. By turning a physical product into a service, companies can practice a new form of planned obsolescence. If they want you to upgrade, they don't have to wait for the product to break. They just have to stop supporting the software or disable the service. This shift from ownership versus access is turning our homes into a series of monthly bills. Why do we keep signing up? It's simple, the low entry barrier. Psychologically, $10 a month feels much smaller than $120 a year. Companies use this microtransaction mindset to get us into the door. But as of 2026, the average person is juggling over 12 digital subscriptions. This has led to a massive rise in subscription fatigue. We're also victims of the endowment effect. Once we have access to a library like Netflix or Spotify, the thought of losing it feels like a personal loss. We aren't staying because we love the service, we're staying because we're afraid of losing the access we've already paid for. Companies count on consumer inertia, the fact that you're too busy or tired to find the cancel button, which they've hidden behind 5 different menus anyway. Let's talk about the math. In the old world, you bought a car, paid it off, and then lived payment-free for 5 years. That was money you could save or invest. In the subscription world, the payments never end. This is what economists call customer lifetime value. Companies aren't looking to make a quick buck. They want to extract a small amount of wealth from you every single month for the rest of your life. When your software, your entertainment, your transportation, and even your food via meal kits are all subscriptions, you lose the ability to cut costs during a bad month without losing your entire lifestyle. This is the hidden danger of the death of ownership. It makes it harder to build personal wealth because your fixed expenses keep growing. You're essentially paying a life tax to corporations just to exist in a modern society. The death of ownership isn't a done deal. You can fight back by choosing buy-it-for-life products, supporting right-to-repair laws, and voting with your wallet for companies that offer one-time purchases. Being ruthless with your unsubscribes isn't just about saving $10, it's about reclaiming your autonomy. Ownership is freedom. Subscriptions are a leash. Don't let your life be something you only have access to until your next credit card statement. Take back your stuff.